Hello and welcome. So we stopped working on a Rust project for a while, and I don't really do console stuff all the time. So you might wonder, like, oh, I did working on the console video. This is not about console. This is about graphics library. Because if you run it, I wanted this 2D model. If you press anything, it redirects to the console. Right. And so what I want to do is get some Ncurses code so that in the console you can do all the stuff it wants, and yeah, it's essentially what I want. So I can like get the Keypresses. And if we can change it a bit, use print F. Boom. Segboard. Oh. Could we like remove all of that? No. Well, then puts a bunch of nonsense. Okay, I feel it needs in like what the heck is this code? For now, I'll just say if that code is found, just ignore that. So now everything works. Actually, no, this has been built. So I found this Ncurses tutorial, and also this, which helped me a lot in the key functionality. So like, Control C makes it exit. Okay, it still doesn't work as normal. I think we essentially need like the init stir. And now, instead of print F, use print W. And everything works. Even if you just like use the mouse key, it still recognizes. Right. That's pretty dang cool. Backspace, enter. All of these keys it's able to detect. So now let's move this inside of a graphics library fundamentally. Okay, there's such thing as a thread. I don't want another thread in C. I mean, I know there's such thing as a thread, but I don't know how to use it. I've really not done it a lot. How about we want okay, it just sleeps like. The problem is that's not exactly how it's supposed to. It's supposed to print before thread, after thread, and then printing. Oh, we need like something like LP thread. Oh, that's what's supposed to happen. Maybe make this. Um, so maybe we need like LP thread. How's do I need to be? So essentially here it's able to create multiple threads. So what I'm thinking is rather we use console, this console code. So in order to do that, we'd have to use Ncurses. Graphics. I think that should compile well. Like I don't care about it because like it doesn't already work, but I just want to see if it would compile. It does. So Ncurses exists. Let me create this window. That's what we do. So, that's what we do. Oh. Oh, I get it. So you have to compile this with Ncurses. Setting that as compile code depends on you a lot more than it should. both of these as Ncurses. Tedious. I might want to fix that. I might want to fix that. Like we have to. I think there's like a pragma command. Link. Right. We might still have to do Ncurses here. But in our graphics.mm, can we just link it like that? It works. Should I even like create like a define window? Um, key. Key event. I forgot how to define like functions. Because I want like something like, okay. Would that work? Would that actually compile? Okay, I don't think it would. It will not. It will not. It will not. It will not. Maybe in our main, stuff.c, I think. We have to put a special, point out tab Ncurses, which is really gonna confuse user a lot. So I think we have to do here compile with that Ncurses. Okay. Now what we still need is multi-threading. So on one hand, we can be repeatedly seeing if there's anything here, seeing any keys and sending them, and on the other hand, we'll actually be building the application. Essentially, what we could do. There's an update function. Here calls it on a loop. The problem with this is, last time I checked, it doesn't actually work. Yeah. Don't be misled by that hello. That's from here. maybe the only way we would actually print it out is if we used Ncurses, because this is an application is sort of running on Ncurses if you think of it. Actually, wait, no. What if we took like pragma and put it inside of here for key events and mouse events, I think. No, that's only okay. But now that eliminates our need of doing national Ncurses. Oh. How about the users to put it in here? Okay, maybe I'll just do Ncurses here. But soon we have to find a counter way. Now, if we type something, it won't go into the terminal because we put in raw mode. Which means the only reason it would actually be given in a terminal, actually it can't be given in a terminal. So I'm gonna like print it out, like those default functions. It lets you get the authority. This is when multi-threading comes to use. So I'm testing the fact that I'll just call this key handle. Default key handle. In the default key handle, this is what we're gonna do. Right. Maybe that's anything, I'll just trig it. Actually, we might need that. Hey, what if we just put it in this code? Okay, so the timer doesn't work. What will we do now? Maybe multi-threading. What is it now? I accidentally put. Isn't that cool? The thing is, it doesn't do both of them at the same time. So it just goes on forever. I'm gonna actually put it at the like around here. Something won't detect that anymore. How come those two? I think that might be the reason why that update doesn't work. So it's always one or the other. Yes, let's go. Isn't that pretty cool? Isn't that pretty cool? We're able to do both of them at once. And what I want to do is kill that thread and create a new one. So I can modify it. When we do that, So actually, what we could do is create like an update higher function that makes it so that, because now earlier the key handle was basically what it was that it was a thread. It wouldn't like detect when one key was pressed. It wouldn't be called when one key was pressed. Which we didn't like. So then we'll create an update higher function. What we would do then is we would call the update function. It takes an update function. Maybe we could remove that. Update. Maybe we could call the update function. That should make it more often. Okay, but now it only presses that when then, so like maybe you could do something like while true. Something like that. Actually, I don't know about that. But anyways, then we could create like a key handle. That is what will happen when the key is pressed. By default, it's the default key handle, but you can set it to whatever you want and set key down. And in that manner, now it's pretty easy to get all the stuff we can override it. The only problem with this is that my in-out function that I preferably would like, I don't know if that would work anymore. Actually, I'm just gonna use printf of SETO. And that's essentially the problem that I'm talking about. It prints out here, but not in the actual window. So that's why we might need implementation, perhaps in our library that checks if Ncurses exists. But for now, everything looks pretty fine. Now one thing that we might need to do is like find the focus. Like, let me show you something. This is actually a text box, right? And the reason I did all of this is that when you type into this text box, it redirects to the console. So rather than putting it here, it goes there. My whole point was not just to make it work a little better, not just to like add key events so that the user can decide that, but also so that we can write text inside of this text box. That's why I implemented this. Essentially why. So actually I think something you could do is cute. You could do that as long as we have like a default key handle definition. Right. So you could put it in here. I'll just put it like over here and decide where to put it for now. Default key handle. Basically default method of what to do if key is pressed. So now I can actually run this. And it should be, I believe, should not have been. Well, we did it here. But what's complaining about is that I couldn't find the actual definition. Which is pretty confusing. I don't know. Welcome back. I think maybe you could add, I'm thinking about is to the default key handle, we could add like a structure, key event. And that would take like a short character int modifier. And this modifier is actually an enumeration. So we have like control. Let's talk about that for now. Control. First takes a character and modifier. None and control. Yeah. And let's remove that code. Make this take in a key event. And chart this event dot character. You could just say if modifier is equal to control. Switch character. Otherwise, let's use Ncurses for these. So they don't have an enumeration of some keys. It's like key backspace key enter like that. Key backspace. Which will set these. So key backspace is equal to 127. Key enter is equal to 10. those. And I have to actually pass the key event. So key handle, now key event. Now the update higher. It's a bit more complex. So if you take a key event. If is alpha ch event dot ch, the character is equal to ch. Otherwise, if the character plus 64, that means we're pressing the control key. Then event dot modifier is equal to control, and event dot character is equal to ch plus 64. Right. Any errors? Probably some errors. Yeah, the errors. Key handle. Oh, handle key event. The heck is that? Oh. So you have to make it take a key event. Oh. Now we call it with the event. Okay, so these are already defined. Is there a way for me to redefine them? Because they're the same, I know, but like, I don't know about key backspace. I'm just gonna remove, keys then. Very well. Modifier. Event dot modifier. Not bad. What? It won't move now. What happened to default key handle? Oh, I get what happened. Oh. So we're gonna like an int non-numeric. Or an NNC. Non-numeric character. And when we're setting it in update higher, you could say event.nnc is equal to ch. Right. Default key handle nnc. Actually, you know what? Update higher The NNCH will always be the NNC. Why is it giving us numbers? Why? Oh. I think we should reinvent this characters then. So let's reinvent this everything Ncurses is giving us. We're just using it for that. So key backspace. I like that. Expected identifier. So up is 3. Let's take that fatal information. Up is 3. What is left? 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 Left is 4. Up. Up is 3. Down is 2. And right is 5. Backspace is still 127. Enter. Okay. That's where the error is. That's where the error is. So now in the default key handle, we'll be using these new keys. Who needs Ncurses? All we're using is actually no, we could use key backspace. We could just say key backspace is equal to key backspace. Sounds so long. Otherwise, if we have key backspace, and we have 10, compile. 2D and a backspace. Hey, what? Stop doing. What? What the heck did we do? All we did is that. How does it make backpack change? Backspace, and it won't work, but that doesn't matter. Control C makes it believe. Isn't that pretty dang cool? Event. Oh, did we do it inside of the graphics? No. So put that in the graphics. Will ya? Hear ya? Hear ya. There's an error. Dang it. I was type def. No, it doesn't do anything when you pass any keys because I didn't program it to do that. No, say if event.modifier and full key, and I know what you're gonna say. I predict. There we go. Key pressed. So that's me being an idiot. It successfully detects. Isn't that pretty dang cool? I was gonna put it in my brain. But shouldn't we have like a strict application? Window. Right. So there we go. I want to do it now is pass. Like pass an argument. How do you do the thread arguments in C? No. Plus you. Okay, these are the arguments. So it's essentially where the arguments go. And this one. So it's passing an application. Isn't that pretty dang cool? Okay, what else to fix after that? I know there's some errors. I just need to see where they are. So obviously in line 961. Let me pass the application. So no matching call. What the? Oh, maybe we need to like pass it in as a hide it. Hide it. 62. Dun, 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 dun. What do you mean you can't? What do you mean you can't? What do you mean? What do we do? No matter what. Actually, you know what I should do? Let's just keep it normal. I don't want a window. Come on, we already did all this. We don't need that. We don't need that. Oh. I'm getting this love you've done. In my opinion, well, not exactly, but you know what? It's enough. It's a lot. So I've never done a video on my library, so I thought I'd spend a lot of time perhaps telling you about what it's about. Right. And go to documentation. It's a graphics library. 2D and 3D graphics library. And how you use it is you essentially well, you don't need to do that. You don't need to include in-out.h. You have to include graphics.h. And you link it with Dash framework Cocoa. And we have an application structure, an event structure, event handling, some of these functions. And essentially the basic program here would be like this. Right. That's essentially what a basic program would look like. Not exactly basic program, but you can go and check some examples. Just draw a slider, and you're able to pick whatever you want from it. And then we also have this. And you can pick this. We also have labels. I don't know why I didn't put a label like choose your favorite car. And we also have this. I don't know why I called it color window, but it has a basic rectangle. And let's create a label actually for a label. The rest documents it takes. And we'll just see like choose your favorite car. Not 3D, 2D. Hard label. Oh, I forgot to add it. And it's sort of in the wrong position. Like get the window width. Make him like a little more. Yeah. I think it supports negatives, right? Does it? Does it support negatives? I don't think so. Oh, negative just puts it back there. So we just have 5, 5. Also, I think it's about time that the default key handle, move that, and I don't think we need that. We don't need to print anything out. Okay, now we'll just keep it as beginning started stuff for now, for some time. Actually, I think, okay, maybe, I haven't focused a lot on the grid system, which is why I suck at the grid system. Yeah, I haven't learned much about it. So here we have choose your favorite color. And make that width 200, so you have more area. And the X, let's put it like something tiny, so like it's sort of like. Actually, we could center it. Let's center it. Get window width, window divided by 2. Just do like a 1. Let's perfectly center that one though. That is not okay. What? Was that actually centered? I actually don't think so. Yeah, that's not centered. It's maybe centered on the X, but definitely not the Y. Sort of centered. Okay, I'm not actually centered. That's pretty useless. But anyways, you can choose your color. What color do you like? What color do you like? Audi. I'm not in the mood. Maybe Volkswagen. Nah, Toyota. Nah, Volvo. Nah, Benz. Nah, Tesla. You can change. Anyways, I think that's a little introduction. So, hello. Welcome back to a working program. Is it working? Is it really working? I don't think so. Yeah, it's not working. Come on. Let's hope that works. That happened. We'll just put C control key no matter what. Okay. Let's modify. Supposed to be 11:48. 0. Nothing. Let's do update. How about just put an F? But we have 2. What do we have 2 times? Why is it called 2 times? Oh, that's just random. Oh, never mind. So it is. How about we never make that? How about we keep the original? So and then by default, print. What the heck this character is? Control X. That should be okay. Print W. We can do that right. How we print a U. And tell us. So character is 24. Should be. It's supposed to be X. Why is it control X? Simple, I'm gonna update higher function. So it's obviously this, which is expected. Could you like print that out? So I'm gonna work with that. Print that out as a C. Print that out as a C for me. X. Okay, wait, I get what happened. Okay, I got a line. We're using N and C. So if that ever happened, we'll make 2 NNCs of that. Okay. That should essentially fix it up. Yes, let's go. Now we can do that. Control key. Control X. What? isn't it? It goes down. It does go there. Okay. It's the thing in itself. Very funny. Okay, so I think that works. This is a problem. Is that a problem? Is that a problem? Let's go. Let's try to fix the problem back in my day. Ha ha. Oh ho. We fixed it, and now you can now correct. Isn't that pretty cool? So that's pretty weird. We're using Ncurses, which is a console library, not a file graphics library. But it worked. It worked. That's all I care about. Also can say and then C is equal to key up, like zone operator. We can say up key. Doesn't detect. Does the actual key code finally work? Like the actual, no. Okay, else. Let's just print essentially what we have. Event.nnc. And I'll just treat it as a U. 97. Okay. What happens if we press up? Okay, up. Okay. Up is 259. Up is 259. Left is 68. So what is the enumeration? Here. Okay. Up. 259. Left. 260. Down. 258. Right. 261. I think that should essentially make as long as we put the keys and modify it. Up. There we go. How long are we there? Okay, so we still have a lot of time. What I'd like to do is actually, we have to use Ncurses for a lot of things. Right? Now, my, thought essentially is, what if we implemented it in out.h? So that if we're using Ncurses, it'll automatically do print double. Could you do that? Will clang. Let me go down. Let's open a new terminal actually. Okay, that's not a directory. So which clang, maybe? They all say user bin clang. So okay, let me choose user bin. No. Bin clang. No. Why is the clang include directory? I don't want to get a new clang file. I want to like find. Is it somewhere there? Let's go. So we'll just go in. It's an SDA file. So could you actually? Isn't that pretty cool? Does it go like user bin? It could go include open. Now this might be what Ncurses is. Ncurses. No, we have Pycurses. Pycurses. My other question that like if defined Ncurses underscore h. Graphics.h include Ncurses. Why are we using Ncurses for events, for key events, right here. LF Ncurses. Exactly something like that. Wait. Check F light control. Just not care about the size of it. STD out will be STD out. And my question is, will that activate? Okay, puts it there. But it's not Ncurses. So I think essentially we're gonna have to add Ncurses. Let's MV print W. I don't know if I want that. Okay. Choose the actual. So like in printf, basically. Actually, Ncurses is now its own platform. We don't even need to own like in-out Ncurses.h. It's a pretty lightweight. I think I'll just put this in. But anyways, Ncurses is not its own platform. You have to keep later program with that in mind. It's not its own platform. If we're on Unix, we're on Unix. We're not on Ncurses. Ncurses is just an additional thing. So if we're like putting anything out, if def Ncurses h else and if so will you look at that? Will you look at that? Otherwise, I think we could just could I do something like this? Maybe I can make this simpler. Because even though Ncurses has its own print W, I don't want to like be using it because it doesn't have formatting. I mean, because our functions don't have formatting. I created it like that on purpose, so like better. In this case, we're just gonna do that. I think we'll worry about like the print chart. Actually, we have to implement more functionality. So the only things that'll actually use like Ncurses in this entire system would be like the print jars and stuff like that, so that we're aware that if we want to use Ncurses, then use Ncurses. Follow your dreams, young lad. So I think now we can actually use the print function, our own proud print function, and use that. I think that should be able to a task. Okay. So define. Was someone knows I see actually? What I want to do, since this size isn't that popular, I'll say if defined SSIST. Wait, no, we need to fill out a function, do we? Oh. I'll just define no size T. There we go. 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 Control W. Okay, all we got is a seg fault, which I don't like, but all we got is a seg fault, I guess. I don't get why I would get that. Seg fault, off. Is that why we got a seg fault? How we remove this ADA out and we actually see reset to compile my code. Compile my code for me. Compile my code. Still. Put. I want to be able somehow because there's like switch back for print W. Okay, I think there's a print W with the vol list. So I still don't get what this window is. Could I pass a 0 to that? I think I will just pass 0 to that. Compile my code for me, compile my code. Very funny, very funny. I definitely really like to joke, haha. Maybe I could just pass in the window as like nothing. Wait, so nothing. Then we're gonna have the string and then we could just pass in the vol list. I think now it shouldn't have that because we're using the function that was specially made for this. And why still segfault? Why do you still have a segfault? Where was a segfault made? Why do I have to do this? Like, go to my settings. Okay, I cut that part off. For reasons. Because it's privacy and security, obviously. I don't want anybody finding that out. Seeing anything in it. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Is it about this? What happened if I remove this? Still hate how I have to reset it. I don't know, put in my code actually. Control X. What? And if we do it next time, it does this. I don't like that at all. What the why the do you have this? Why is this FI? What? Okay. I'm not gonna blame you. I'm not gonna blame you for having the weirdest techniques and stuff. He said. Maybe we'll just do it at the start. Might as well do it at the start. Is it model 2 video 2? Thank you for asking. Okay. Okay, I wonder how that code compiled. Oh, it's cleared it. Never mind. So it should have been what the heck is print? Why is that code too understanding? Oh, did you mean print F? I'm gonna automatically how it was in the Rust. Well, even Rust didn't do that actually. Rust gave me a lot of tips on how to do it, but it's too lazy. Cause nobody cares. It's 2022. Nobody cares. Wait. Oh, that's right. Ho ho ho. So you might as well do print jars. That's what we should do right now. This is a standard approach. Should work without any problems. Doesn't it? Aren't you a little good boy? Aren't you a little good boy, Johnny? Why does it sometimes do control when I press up? Pressing up, are you stupid? Okay. I think we need a lot of stuff. Well, now we didn't do a lot of stuff, but we did little stuff. Compared to how much this whole library is, it's little stuff. But, hey, everything's work of time. Everything takes time. Everything takes time. And the library you saw, graphics.mm, it's a lot of work. It's not easy. How long have we been? Okay, we have still a lot of time. So we could do also one thing I was wondering is I put here at a set something main is that in a lot of the code we have void times because there's a lot of types that are here. Look, 87 instances of void times. And the point of this, that's what I'm trying to say, is that because these are void times, there are a ton of errors that could happen. And I'll just say SAG fault. macOS being Unix being useless Unix, like always. So, for example, look, let me show you an example. Let's say we have a void times. Well, this actually these errors won't show that easy. I think he'll be able to understand, but should I show you some 3D code? Let me show you some 3D code. How about that? Huh? Might have 3D code somewhere in my history of all the stuff that I've done. I might have the basic 3D code. I take a DAA file, which is right over here, And essentially what I did is I put it into the window. I took that 3D model and put it into my window. Go, 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 go. Here. If you want, no, not 2D, 3D. Let's compile it using 3D. What the? Oh. No SSIST. Okay, it doesn't show that. Why the heck doesn't that show it? Okay, we'll just pretend that never happened. Now let's say we scale a 3D object. Scene view. Wait. So let's scale that 3D object. And if you see that, it gives us a random code. What the heck am I supposed to do with this code, huh? So I think what we should do is make that better. Make life better. So if those void times, those are all the areas that we have to. Well, void times as an argument, we can't. When we output it, it's obviously gonna be that what we expect it to be. So where is void times in argument? Void P we obviously know. Here. 475. Okay. Key down. Okay. So to explain what I was talking about, I'll be right back and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I finally found what I was talking about. Okay, what line are we supposed to go to? 475. Okay, what's in there? What's in there? So maybe we could take this and like assert. Assert that the object is part of any class. We want it to be part of NSView. This too, we want it to be of NSView. I think it's about time we get the void times searcher rolling up. Here we expect an NSView. Here we expect it. Okay, I don't know how to say that. Okay, well, essentially we could say we expect an NS button or an NS text field or an NS text view. So any of those will be fine. Here, we don't have any void times. What about here? We expect an NSView. Here, expect an NS. Do you expect an NSView? What the heck do we expect? Object. I think we expect an NS drop down. It's called here NS pop up button. What what else do we have? What else? Set editable. NS view. NS view. NS view. NS view. I think. Well, yeah, NS view would be fine. NS view. NS view. NS view. NS view. NS view. I think we expect like an NS slider. Yes, that is precisely what we expect. That's it. So now I think it will work. Wait, if we're doing 3D. Okay, reset. What the heck? This is absolute nonsense. Let me actually like do some good, like make it make sense. So if we go to scale 3D, let's start the palm. Okay, that's precisely the palm for most of it. But then it realizes that, so for that it's fine. Let's think of void times. For example, let me show you a way that it will actually tell you not to do it. So say set draws background 50 true, and if we do that, it should say, hey, I didn't expect that. That's not what you're supposed to do. Naughty, naughty, naughty. He actually gives a segfault. That's not how it's supposed to go. That's not how it was supposed to go. That's not how it was supposed to. Window. Dot window. 2D, let's go. There we go. There it works. I'm not sure what some like details, like other than that, like actually this is pretty straightforward. Isn't this straightforward? Like it's kind of, I think that should be, because again the user doesn't know what NSView is. So that's pretty like, what the heck am I supposed to do? But at least it's better than giving a segfault. A segfault, you're like, what? What am I supposed to do? Now it's a little easier. At least it's easier. Okay, what do we do now? What do we do now? I'm pretty sure that's it. On the count of 3, I will be disappearing. 3, 2, 1.